Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2014 Kia Sorento Platinum, stock reference number 7445. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a D4 HP, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4 HP, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left guard has a small crease on the top edge, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light has light sun cracks, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light also has light sun cracks, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 5 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent and a light fold on the front edge, right power door mirror has a cracked lens, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.